Thank you very much. Wow.
The election is over. The stakes are higher than ever. What's Donald Trump's vision for 2025? The year is 2025. With Donald Trump potentially back in the White House, his plans could redefine America and the world. What comes next could be his most ambitious chapter yet. Let's uncover the roadmap. Point 1. To forecast Trump's next moves, we must revisit his groundbreaking and polarizing legacy. From reshaping trade deals to securing tax cuts and appointing conservative judges, Trump's first term was a masterclass in disruption. His America First doctrine wasn't just a slogan, it was a revolution. What's his next move in reshaping the future? Point 2. Economic plans. Economics remains Trump's signature battleground. In 2025, expect a new era of bold tax reforms, aggressive deregulation, and trade deals designed to position the U.S. as the global economic leader. Will he achieve a resurgence in American manufacturing or double down on tech innovation to dominate global markets? Point 3. Foreign policy agenda. On the world stage, Trump's foreign policy could become even more unrelenting. Facing rising global competition, he may intensify sanctions on China, hold NATO allies to stricter obligations, and push for deals that prioritize American interests. Could he seal the ultimate peace deal in the Middle East and claim a defining diplomatic victory? Point 4. At home, Trump's focus could shift to bold initiatives. Enhanced border security and immigration reform will remain at the forefront, but 2025 may also bring sweeping changes in infrastructure and energy policies. From bolstering oil and gas production to exploring cutting-edge technologies, Trump's domestic vision could usher in a new era of American self-reliance. Point 5. But what if Trump's return marks the beginning of deeper transformations? He might seek unprecedented control over social media to dominate narratives or reimagine alliances to align with his vision. Will this be the era of a more strategic Trump or an amplified version of his populist core? Point 6. Donald Trump's plans for 2025 are more than a political strategy. They are a vision for America's place in the world. The decisions made in the next few years could shape the nation for decades to come. Are you ready for what's next? What's your take on Trump's 2025 strategy? Join the debate in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for exclusive updates from World Tomorrow.